Hello my dear learners. Welcome back to online learning platform of Shri Baswa Public School. I hope you all are fine at home. Children, today's session is going to be based on class 7th chapter 7th, and the chapter which we are going to discuss, it is from your main textbook Honeycomb. Yes, and it is a poem from unit 7th. The Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Dad and the Cat and the Tree. Written by Kit Wright. He was born on 17th June 1944 and he is presently 76 years old. He was born in Crockham Hill, United Kingdom. His nationality is English. He is known for his poet and children's author. He is known for poet and children's author, and he was awarded by some awards that are Geoffrey Faber Memorial Prize, Hawthorne Den Prize, Colmondale Award. And Kit Wright is the author of more than 25 books for both adults and children. So my dear learners, this is the information of the writer of the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So children, this poem is all about a cat who climbs high and gets stuck in the tree, and the poor thing can't come down. Yes, it's climbed the tree and it was unable to come down from it. How would you help it? Surely not like that in this poem. And the poet is asking us, how will you help it which cat was stuck in the tree? Yeah, you have to not follow the steps which followed by Dad in this poem. Is the Dad good climber? No, he wasn't. What were his plans? Let's see in the poem. One morning a cat. Let me give you a brief information about the poem. The poem starts with one morning where a cat got stuck in the tree. The narrator's dad decided that he will easily be able to take care of it. Narrator's father decided to climb the tree. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warnings, he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell. Having fallen once, he thought of trying again another way. Yet again, ignoring his wife's warnings, he swung himself up on the branch. The branch broke and again he fell. Not giving up still, the father climbed up the garden wall. Unluckily, this time he climbed up the garden. He did not fall. However, the moment he sprang onto the tree, the cat jumped to the ground, safe and sound. Poor father, on the other hand, got struck in the tree. Yes, children, this is the brief information of the tree poem. Let's start the reading of poem and explanation by parawise. This morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, right, just leave it to me. Children, when the family was having a tea party and sitting under the shade of Arab, staying in their garden, where their cat was stuck on a tree. Yes, it climbed the tree and stuck in it, and it was unable to come down. So when father saw it, when mother said like that, when he saw the tree and the cat, then he said, leave it on me, I will take it down. The tree was ugly, the tree was tall. Mom said, for goodness sake, don't fall. When the father said, leave it to me, I will take care it, I will take the cat down, then mother said, the tree where the cat was stuck, that was very tall, very shaky, and for that mom warned the father that do not fall. For the sake of goodness, don't fall, don't climb and don't fall. Then he said here, fall, scoffed Dad. A climber like me, child's play this is. You wait and see. When the narrator's wife warned her husband for the sake of goodness to not fall, then he replied, fall, it is scoffed. He replied in a taunt way that fall, me, not at all. I am a climber and it is a child's play, or it is an easy work for me. You just wait and watch how I climb the tree and how I will put the cat down. He got out the ladder from the garden shed. It slipped. He landed in the flower bed. So children, after that he went to the shed of his, which is in his garden, and he brought a ladder from there and he climbed the ladder. Unfortunately, he slipped from the ladder and fell down very badly on the flower bed of his garden. Then what happens? Let's see in the next stanza. Never mind, said the dad, brushing the dirt off his hair and his face and his trousers and his shirt. Soon after falling down from the on flower bed of his garden, he himself said, never mind, and he cleaned his dust on the shirt and trouser pants, and also hair and face, because he fell down very badly from the ladder. And he started to clean up himself and he said, never mind, sorry. Next, after that, we will try plan B. Stand out of the way, mom said. Don't fall again, okay. Then after falling down from the ladder, his confidence of putting or bringing the cat down is not decreased. He was not losing the hopes of doing it. So he tried, he said, we will try now plan B. You just go and stand away from me. Then again mom, or his wife, narrator's mom, warned his father to not fall again. Then he said, fall again, said the dad. Funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch. It broke. As I said, he warned, mother warned already to the father, but he did not listen. Again he taunted him and he started to laugh on the word fall, and he considered it as a joke. You are joking with me? No, I will never fall now. So he went back and take a long jump on the branch of a tree. Then what happens? He swung himself on one of the branch. Then unfortunately the branch was also very weak, so it broke with the heavy strength of the weight of the narrator, dad. Next, what happens? Dad landed wallop back on the deck. Mom said, stop it, you will break your neck. When he fall down, this time he fell down very badly, children. He fell down from his back and he was very badly hurt. And this time his mother, his wife, was shouting on him that you don't try now because you will break your neck. Next, rubbish, said the dad. Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. After that plan failed also. He did not stop himself. He said here, falling for me, not at all. I will try now plan C. What is the plan C? Let's see. And it is very easy. Plan C is very easy, like winking the eyes. And for whom? For the climber like him. Next, then he climbed up high on the garden wall. Guess what? He did not fall. Then this plan C, what he did? He climbed the wall of his garden, the fence, and fortunately he did not fall here. And he successfully climbed the tree. Next, what happens? It is very interesting. Listen very carefully, children. He gave a great leap and he landed the flat in the crook of the tree trunk, right on the cat. So from that wall, he took a long jump or a leap to the center part of the tree, and fortunately, successfully, he jumped right on the cat, beside of the cat. The cat gave a yell and sprang to the ground, pleased as Punch to be. Safe and sound. Soon after, narrator father climbed the tree, took a leap on the tree. Then suddenly the cat gave a yell. Screamed and jumped to the ground, and it was very happy and making sound, and it was safely jumped to the ground and taking a cat walk. So it's smiling and smirking, smug as can be, but poor old dad still stuck up the tree. So children, to save the cat, he did all the dramas, and successfully he climbed with the plan C. But what happens here? The cat took a jump and safely it landed to the ground, and by in a different attitude, the cat was with the great pride, it was walking on the ground and smirking itself. It means a silly way. Smirking, it means silly ways. With smile, with silly way, it was as if nothing happens. So cat, as usual, it started to do its work. But what happens here? The poor dad, who tries very hard to climb the tree and to save the cat, he was stuck on the tree. So the poem is written by Kit Wright. I hope you understand the explanation. Let's move towards the summary of the poem, which you are going to write down in your classwork with the poem. One morning, a cat got stuck in the tree. The narrator's dad decided that he will easily to be able to take care of it. Narrator's father decided to climb the tree. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warning, he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell down. Having fallen once, he thought of trying again another way. Yet again, ignoring his wife's warning, he swung himself up on a branch. The branch also broke and again he fell. Next, not giving up still, the father climbed up the garden wall. Luckily, this time he did not fall. However, the moment he sprang on the tree, the cat jumped to the ground, safe and sound. Poor father, on the other hand, got stuck in the tree. Yes, children, to save whom, that cat was down on the ground, but poor father was at last in the stanza, he was on the tree stuck. And many plans he tried. Lastly, in the plan C, he was successfully climbed the tree, but unfortunately at that moment, cat jumped down safely and started to make noise and walking like a silly cat. Okay, this is the explanation of the poem. I hope you understand. If you have any doubts, you can send me a message. And children, after watching this video, write the poem in your classwork and summary of the class poem. Afterwards, I'll send the exercise part of the poem. Thank you once again for watching this video.